I have got a customer to assemble a mini ITX gaming computer, so now I'm going to unbox this AsRock B560M-ITX motherboard. This is mini ITX actually, not just ITX. Let's open up and see what we have inside the box. Everything starts with this giant manual. I have no clue who actually needs these manuals. I would actually prefer if manufacturers stop adding these manuals and these CD drives and maybe drop price by a couple of euros. So then we have one pack with SATA cables. There are two cables. We have two Wi-Fi antennas. So this motherboard comes with a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. Then we have the I/O shield itself. The I/O shield has this nice fluffy bump over here. And we have some M.2 screws. It's actually just one M.2 screw. So let's take the motherboard out itself. The motherboard, as it is mini ITX, is very small. Here is the motherboard itself. It looks pretty nice and it also feels pretty nice. I like these AsRock mini ITX motherboards for budget-oriented builds. For this build, I'm going to use Core i5-10400, so the VRAM system is more than enough for that one, but you can also install something like Core i5-11400 or maybe 11600, but I would not recommend to install here anything with 8 cores or more. So on the rear side, we have HDMI, DisplayPort, to USB 3, to USB 2, network, PS2, Wi-Fi antennas, and audio exit. Basically, a very simple and basic I/O for this motherboard. Then here we have an audio jack. Here we'll have front panel connectors, a USB header. I don't see which one is which, but I will figure that out. Then we have USB 3 header and actually USB Type-C header. The PCI Express X16 slot, M.2 slot, and what's important is that we have a RGB header over here, and maybe we also have RGB header somewhere. No, I don't think so. Here we have, yeah, we actually do have an RGB header over here. So we have one RGB header and one ARGB header. Here is 4-pin fan connector, two more 4-pin fan connectors. So the motherboard is packed pretty well for the size and for the price. I paid for it around 1,200 euros.